Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we're getting ready to start lesson 5 in Money and Time. So it is on page 75 in our book. What do you wonder and what do you notice? Well, when you look at the pictures, you should be able to see different things. If we look at this, what might you do at 7 a.m.? Well, at 7 a.m. at midnight, that is when our a.m. starts. And if we do 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right here, you might wake up at 7 o'clock a.m. Now, as you go, that is 7, so 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. When you hit 12 at noon, that is 12 p.m. That is 12 p.m. That means it's past morning, so it's p.m. At nighttime, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, you might brush your teeth because you're getting ready to go to bed. And you should be asleep all the way up to 12 a.m., which is midnight, which we start back over here. So it's actually a circle. It's going to keep going and going and going. It's just like how the world turns. So this is going to tell you this is all of a.m., and then it switches at noon, and then it's p.m. up to midnight, and then it's back to a.m., and then it's back to p.m., so it's going to keep going and going. The time from midnight to noon is represented as a.m. The time from noon to midnight is represented as p.m. What time of day is Evan in math class? Write a.m. or p.m. So what we have to do with this, we have to think about 11:20. So if I put 11:20 a.m., that means it would be before noon. So it would be right here. So I know I'm awake. But if I put 12 or 11:20 p.m., that's right before midnight. And we're not in math class right before midnight. So that's not going to be correct. So make sure you choose a.m. there because it's before noon. Now if we look over here, what time of day does the event take place? Write a.m. or p.m. So you're going to write either a.m. or p.m. for 1, a.m. or p.m. for 2, a.m. or p.m. for 3. Make sure you're looking at the picture. a.m. and p.m. for 4, a.m. or p.m. when you're swimming, a.m. or p.m. when you're drawing. Look at the sky. Make sure you're looking at the sky on all of these. Now if we look at this. So, Marissa solves the problem by writing the time on the digital clock. Patrick is cooking dinner. What time is it? So, it's 5:35, but it's dinner. It's not breakfast, and it's a.m. So would that be correct? Has Marissa written the correct time? So answer that question. If not, how could you help her understand the time? So write to explain how you could help. On 8, what event can take place in the a.m.? What event can take place in the p.m.? Label both events on the timeline. So you're going to label something. So for example, if you're going to come to school, when would that be? Where at on the timeline? And then if you're going to go home, either you're going home in your car or a bus, what time would that be? So after you get that done, we're going to talk about it.